Welcome to a new video, guys. Today I'm going to talk about how to turn off all the notifications on your iPhone. Okay, so there is two methods to do this. So the first one is to open the control center on your iPhone and then to locate this focus tab. What you want to do is to tap on it once, and here you have this option of setting this do not disturb option. Okay, we turn it on. Now it means that no notifications will ever appear on your screen because the iPhone assumes that now you're studying, sleeping, doing something important, and you cannot be disturbed. Okay, but that's a kind of a temporary solution. Okay, so we turn this off, and now I'm going to show you some permanent solution to not have notifications at all and never, and from specific sources as well. So to do this, what we need to do is to open our settings on our iPhone. Now I want to scroll down to find the notifications tab. Tap on it once. Now here, if you scroll slightly down, you will find the notification style section, which has all the apps installed on your iPhone. So for example, if you open one of them, like this one, and turn off the allow notifications thing, well, by doing this way, you will not receive any notifications from this app ever again. Then you can go and do the same with every application on your iPhone. When you finish doing this with every application, or at least those that you do not want to receive notifications from, well, from there you will be finished and all set. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.